Have you ever tried to learn a new skill by watching a video, only to find it difficult to pick up from just seeing it? Maybe you followed along step by step, but something still doesn't click. Now, imagine if you could not only watch, but also feel, hear, and see the skill being demonstrated in real time, as if you were there, experiencing it firsthand. Introducing Tacit Captions, externalizing tacit skills within neon bending practices through sensor video synchronized cues. Learning new skills can be challenging, especially when the only way to learn is through practice and experience, such as neon bending. Neon bending is the art of heating and shaping glass tubes to create neon signs. With Tacit Captions, we explore a more intuitive and accessible way to learn, one that enhances the process by transforming invisible knowledge into sensory feedback through video, making learning more effective and engaging. Tacit knowledge is defined as the implicit understanding gained through practice that is difficult to explain or transfer. In neon bending, an expert inherently knows how hard to blow, when to rotate the tube, and how to feel when a glass reaches the perfect temperature. These nuanced cues remain invisible to beginners watching traditional demonstrations, creating a significant barrier to learning. Our solution is Tacit Captions, a method that augments video demonstrations with sensor-generated feedback. The system works in three main parts. First, we capture blowing patterns from expert neon benders using a sensor-integrated blow tube, recording precise data about air pressure variations, an important but invisible aspect of neon bending. Second, we process this sensor data through a custom pipeline that detects key events, normalizes the values, and converts them into WebVTT caption files that are synchronized with the video demonstration. Finally, we transform these captions into various feedback modalities, such as light, sound, and vibration that can be experienced through connected devices while either watching the demonstration or practicing live. Our web interface gives users two options. They can either watch pre-recorded demonstrations with these captions enabled, or they can practice live with real-time sensor feedback. The platform allows users to select which type of feedback they prefer, whether that's visual feedback through meters and lights, auditory feedback through synthesized sound, or haptic feedback through vibrations. To evaluate our system, we conducted a study with 5 participants who had varying levels of experience in neon bending. Each participant completed a series of tasks with different modes of tacit caption support. Our results, as shown in Figure 5, demonstrated that participants reported a significantly higher confidence, better support, and improved self-efficacy when practicing with sensor captions compared to traditional instruction alone. We found that distributing feedback across multiple sensory channels helped reduce cognitive load, particularly during live practice. Vibration feedback emerged as the most intuitive and effective modality, while complex visual cues and high pitched sounds were often reported as distracting. In conclusion, Tacit Captions offers a revolutionary approach to teaching tacit skills, like neon bending, which are difficult to document and transfer through traditional methods. By synchronizing sensory feedback with video demonstrations, Tacit Captions brings these invisible aspects of skill acquisition into focus, enhancing the learning experience. Built on widely accessible web infrastructure, the system is scalable and adaptable, making it suitable for a broad range of applications. Our user study demonstrates that sensor-based captions effectively guide learners' attention to critical elements, improving their understanding and self-efficacy. However, the study also highlights the importance of tuning the system to balance cognitive load for optimal learning. Beyond neon bending, the potential applications for tacit captions are vast, from preserving cultural crafts to supporting skill acquisition in diverse fields such as surgery and music. With the ability to customize feedback modalities to suit individual preferences, Tacit Captions is adaptable for various users, including those with disabilities, further broadening its impact. Tacit Captions not only transforms how we teach complex skills, but also opens the door to more inclusive, effective, and engaging learning experiences across disciplines. Thank you for your attention.